Ahoy people, TheScottJohnny here and welcome to my new channel. Now, who am I? I'm a photographer and videographer newly graduated from the Norwegian School of Photography. I'm also a digital artist who works with both 2D compositing and 3D compositing in softwares like Adobe Photoshop and Blender. Since early 2022, I've been doing some freelance work and I've gathered some experience from doing so. Now, what can you expect from a channel? It's simple. I want to share all the experience I've learned over the years while I've been working with photo and video. I will talk about important tips I learned through experience that I wish I knew before I started. I will also document different jobs I'm doing as I am doing them to show you how I do them. Tutorials are also something you will find on my channel. Tutorials about how I created my different arts and projects, now you can create them as well. If you're ready to take part in my journey, please subscribe and ring the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I publish a new video. I will try to upload a new video every week to keep it consistent. But if you're interested in more nerdy and geeky videos, I will highly recommend you to check out my original channel, THC Movie Film, where I talk about a lot of nerd stuff and pop culture, movies and comics. So if that's something for you, check out that channel. Well, I hope to see you all in my next video and see you next time. Goodbye.